Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix if you are facing this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad device on App Store verification required issue. So here, if you're facing this type of error on your App Store verification required, so here in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this type of problem. So first of all, here you will need to close this tab. After that, here you will need to open setting. And then here scroll it below, then tap on general, then tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. Then after that, here you will need to again open setting, then tap on your Apple ID profile, then here scroll it below, tap on media and purchases, tap on password settings, and then from here you will have to make sure that the required password should be turned off from here, then tap on done. After that, go back, then again open setting, then here scroll it below, then tap on screen time, then here you will need to again scroll it below, tap on content and privacy restrictions, then here option of iTunes and App Store purchases, tap on this, and then from here you will have to make sure that installing apps is allowed from here and in-app purchases is also allowed, and here you will have to select the don't require password. So after that, here you will need to go back, then again open setting, then tap on screen time, then here scroll below, and here is the option of lock screen time settings. Here make sure that the screen time password is turned off from here. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will need to again open your Apple ID, then tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account. Then from here you will have to remove your payment method from here, and then you will need to re-enter your payment method from here. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. After removing and adding your payment method again and still you are facing this type of problem, then here move to the next solution, open setting, scroll it below, tap on general, then here you will need to again scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. Then after that, here you will need to tap on reset all settings. After that, after resetting all settings, you will need to enter your payment method again, and hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will not be able to face this problem again on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.